Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Domino here. Okay. Well, the name of this title: Do not force your boy Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Simple as that. Cause to me, sound like my best friend tried to force me to be in her wedding. I'm like, why would you want this guy here that can't stand your baby daddy, fiance, boyfriend, whatever the hell he is, to be in your wedding? You know I have an issue with him. You know I have a bad vibe with him. But why would you try to force Domino of all people, this guy right here, and then you saying, but you represent me, you support me, and stuff like that. Yeah, of course I'm supporting you. But hell no, I am not going to that wedding. You know what? This is also a public announcement. Okay? I'm not going to no wedding that I don't approve of. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all watch my past episodes, excuse me, if y'all watch my past episodes from a few years back, like in 2014, when I went to my cousin Greg's wedding, I approved of his marriage to this girl Samara. You know, so Samara was a sweetheart. You know, but they got a divorce. And then I went to my cousin Ronnie's wedding, you know, and guess what? I approve of that, and they're still married till this day. They're still married till this day. Yep, yep. They is still married till this day, and I approve of their marriage. Bravo to that. Okay. So again, do not force Domino 7 to be, to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Don't force Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? So that's the name of this title of this video. Okay? Do not force your boy Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. If the title don't fit, the title gonna continue in the description box. Okay? Alright, so like I said, do not force your boy Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Alright? So this today's vlog. Okay, tonight's vlog. Okay, it's almost midnight. It's gonna be July the 17th while I'm doing this vlog right now, you know. It's almost midnight. So anyway, you saying this, you saying that, you saying this, and you saying that. I'm your friend. We close and all that. Well, it means something, but that part doesn't matter. It really don't matter to me, honestly. Like I said, I know if y'all watch my live stream on my other channel or this channel, well, if you're watching this video on my Domino 866 gameplay channel, y'all heard that dude in the background and how ignorant he is, you know, because like I said, ignorant people, let me tell y'all something. If somebody tell y'all leave him alone, leave him alone, you know. Don't talk to him, you know. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. That person don't like you, leave him alone. That person don't want to deal with you, leave him alone. That's all. So next year or year after next, good luck to her. Good luck to her. You know. But that's all I'm gonna say. Good luck to her. I'm sorry. Blessings. I believe in blessings. I believe in luck and all that, but I'm not superstitious. You know. I'm not literally superstitious. I wouldn't even mind living by a graveyard, you know, be it by a church or anywhere, you know, because I'm not superstitious. But I wouldn't live in no high crime area, you know. I'm not gonna live in no high crime area at all. You know what I'm saying? That's all the hell to it. I mean, let me tell you something. That was the ugliest thing I ever seen. Those two kissing, ugliest couple I ever seen. Yes. But I don't like him because it looks. I just don't like him because I see through his bullshit. You know? I mean, I still have that same attitude about this guy. I really do. Okay, it's almost midnight as I'm doing this. You know. All right, 1 minute to midnight. Probably a few seconds until midnight. You know. So all I'm saying is good luck to that to that marriage. She gonna need it. You know. So like I said, when somebody against a marriage, if they have a strong bad vibe about somebody, you better follow it. You could pay for it at the end. I was against my mama's marriage. Now it's July 17th, 2022. It was July 16th. Now it's the 17th as I speak. Okay, now it's the next day, and I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. You know, I mean, and not only that, I had a bad nightmare about him the other night. You know, banging on my door, saying this, that, and other, and those two was arguing with each other and stuff like that. You know, let me tell y'all something. I mean, I take my dreams to heart. You know what I'm saying? Depends on what I have a dream about. I take them to heart. You know what I'm saying? I had a dream about Tanya a few nights back. I don't know why I dreamt about it though. You know. So, like I said, if I approve of your wedding, I'ma go. If I don't, then I ain't coming. So do not force Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Don't force me to do what I don't want to do. Okay? So you do, there's gonna be hell to pay. Okay? Like I said, there's gonna be hell to pay if you ever force Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Remember that. Okay? That go for anybody on this here, you know. So do not force Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Do not force your boy Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Or else I'm not gonna put my hands on nobody because you know if I hit somebody my hand will probably be broke. Cause I don't fight, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't fight no more. You hear me? I'm too old for that, you know. Look at my hands, okay? All right. I ain't no gang leader or nothing, you know. But guess what? Do not force Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. Okay? Either way, it's gonna be hell to pay. I'll have you arrested. You hear me? You can go to jail. And that's for my best friend. If she ever do go to jail, I'll go visit her in jail. That'll be my first time ever going and visit somebody in jail. You know, I would have visited Ashley in jail. You know, I'm not gonna see her see what was her crime. You know, so like I said, I am not going to be forced to do anything I don't want to do. You understand? Simple as that. Simple as that. Do not, and I repeat one more time, do not force your boy Domino 7 to do what he don't want to do. So I don't know how long this video gonna be on here. I don't know if I'm gonna take it off, but I doubt it if I take it off. But guess what? If they break up one day, I'll probably take this video off of YouTube. I probably will. Yes, I will. But long as they're together, the video stays here on this channel. Okay? All right? So that's all to it. Going to a stupid wedding. I'll be damned if I go to that wedding. I'll be a stupid ass fool if I go to a wedding. Friends or not. We close. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We close. But I will not, and I reiterate, I will not go to her wedding. I love my best friend. Shamik, if you're watching this, which I have no doubt, you're watching this, I'm sorry. I love you. You my friend. You like a sister to me. I care about you from the bottom of my heart. But I'm not going to your wedding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't approve of you being with him. I'm sorry. Everybody else is happy for you except for me. Okay? I felt the same way about my mama when she got married. Yes, indeed. I'm afraid history gonna repeat itself. Even though no, my mama didn't have a child for this man, but I'm talking about even though you and whatchamacallit have a baby together, you know. But I feel sorry for you. You know, I'm sorry. If I'm wrong, let me know. If I wake up with the same attitude, then it's a bad vibe. You know. I just hope nothing don't happen. Because I have a bad feeling something don't happen to them. You know. I'm very afraid. That's why I'm doing this. I'm very afraid. You know. Because let me tell you, oh Lord, I mean, seeing those two together is kind of nauseating to me. I'm sorry to feel that way, you know. And no, I'm not jealous. You hear me? I just have a bad vibe in my gut about this dude. That's why, you know. That's why, you know. Because like I say, Domino is a nice stand up guy. But when I feel like I'm being threatened and manipulated and stuff like that, if I feel manipulated, intimidated, and antagonized and stuff like that, what you want me to do? I feel antagonized by this guy. Not only that, I feel intimidated by this dude. You know, he not intimidating me. I feel intimidated by this guy. You know, I felt intimidated by my mama's ex-husband. Thank God they wasn't married when my mama passed. Thank you, Jesus, they wasn't married. But who knows what would have happened to me and Brock if my mama would have still been married? You know, who knows what would have happened to me and Brock? You know, we probably would have been living with this dude, and this man would have been treating us bad. You know. Oh my God! I just got a bad feeling in my heart, my soul, and my gut. I can feel it in my bones. Something ain't gonna end well. Ooh Lord. Ooh, I'm trying my best not to cry on camera, but I just have a bad feeling. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching so far. But like I said, I'm not hating though. I know y'all. Some of you that understand what I'm saying. You know, I do care about my friend though. I really do. Okay. Like I said, if I didn't care, I wouldn't worry about it. Okay. Well, that's all I gotta say. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video, and if y'all understand what's happening, thank y'all for your understanding. All right. Peace out.